Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to create instant avatar in Heygen. So for this one, what you can do is simply start using this create a video option, and first you can simply select the portrait or landscape. The aspect ratio, let's just say it's going to be landscape, and it will be inside our creation section. So you can see we have instantly created an avatar. You can also do that by clicking on this option, create an avatar. You can use a digital twin or photo avatar. So let's just say you want to create using a photo. Let me upload a photo in here, and if I head over to my downloads, you can see I have some images in here that I might be using. So let me select one of the photo. Alright, so here I have uploaded a photo. By the way, you can get 22% off onto the paid or creator plan inside Heygen. That is going to be helping you to get the premium features of the site. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. So now we can continue. We can name it anything that we want, like for example Alex. We can continue. Now our avatar will be generated. So these are some of the ways that you can create your own avatars as well instantly. And just hold up, and here we got our avatar. So that's how easy it is to create. I hope this helps.